Our Threadripper build might be primarily for editing, but it also happens to be quite adept at gaming. You guys wanted to see us test that out, and here we are. Let's see what the AMD Threadripper, the 16-core Threadripper, and Asus Strix GeForce GTX 1080 Ti are capable of when we let them flex their muscles a little bit. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be leaving a link in the description below, and while you're down there, click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. This video is sponsored by TunnelBear. TunnelBear is an easy-to-use VPN service that lets you use the web as if you're in one of 20 different countries. Go to tunnelbear.com/C4E to get 10% off the day. The 1080 Ti absolutely chewed through everything when we set up the graphics levels up to unrealistic levels like on the Tomb Raider benchmark. With something as beastly as this, you can not just play any game, you can truly appreciate all the hard work that the devs put in while creating the assets and the scenes. Which one of these games have you played? Let us know down in the comments below. And we have been thinking of adding a new game to our lineup for upcoming PC videos, so tell us one game that you'd love for us to include, maybe PUBG or even Assassin's Creed Origins. Again, let us know, and of course share this video. And before we're done, a big shout out to our sponsors TunnelBear. If a fast and secure VPN is what you're looking for, then TunnelBear is the way to go. With apps for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and even a Chrome extension, TunnelBear protects your privacy on all of your devices. One of the great things about TunnelBear is how it takes all the annoying setup and configuration steps out of personal VPN use. Just turn it on and you're set. With TunnelBear running on your device, the connection is encrypted and your public IP address gets swapped out to look like it's coming from the country of your choice. So go to tunnelbear.com/C4E for a 10% discount and get started. Now, we have more PC build videos headed your way. If you dislike PC builds, you know what to do. But if you want to see more PC builds on C4E Tech, then go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to C4E Tech, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily uploads. And now, I must bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. This here is Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off. You guys have a great day. Or if you're watching it at night, goodbye and good night.